Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. We're about to get on a boat and go see the Niagara Falls. Now, if you're going for the boat ride, what we suggest is you park as close as you can, and we're going to get on the boat right over here. We're going to ride it out to the falls. That's the American side right there. There's Dawn, and the Canadian side's up there. What do you think, Tim?
Awesome. I'm ready for kayaking.
So Tim has picked a spot over near Bridal Falls where he wants to take the kayak over, so we're going to coordinate it so we can pick them up. What do you think, Marie?
I think it's a plan.
That's pretty neat.
Rope on the front.
There's the boats we're going on. Yeah, it's the only way to live. Check out the Sheridan up there. Time that perfectly.
As we make our way up the Niagara, look to port for the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. all stops were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line is 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow is 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rockfall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridalveil Falls. The smallest of the three waterfalls, it is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridalveil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridalveil Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters and remains the smallest waterfall compared to its two counterparts.
How high up it is.
Get in the back like next time.
Yeah. We can do that.
Well, no. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we know the kids know what we're doing.
Niagara Falls, more specifically, is the name of three waterfalls: the American, the Bridalveil, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty located between Goat Island and Taylor Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder of the world, the Horseshoe Falls name derives from the crescent or horseshoe-shaped crestline, and the city of Niagara Falls, in all its natural beauty, continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. The erosion was a major issue associated with the average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year in the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world total, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet, or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet, or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 184 feet, or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Look how high it is. Oh, crap.
Get it ready.
What do you think, Tim?
Cool.
Literally.
Soon we won't be able to see.
We're getting a little wet. It's a little moist in here. It's a little. Yeah, it's a little moist, Marie. What do you think, Dawn? It's a little moist.
It's a little bit raining in here all of a sudden. We're going
You're not going to get any closer than this.
No, this is perfect stuff.
We're pretty close. I'm glad they gave us a poncho. What's that?
I think that's a must.
Yeah. Now we're headed back away from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, back up there yesterday. Had dinner there last evening and watched the fireworks from right there. What do you think, Marie?
Oh, it was a great experience, Scott.
A little moist.
Yeah, it was fun.
Oh, it looks like we're coming in close to the falls.
It wasn't as cold as I thought.
No.
I thought it would be.
Imagine in the fall. There's Bridal Falls right there, and the American Falls. Now we're heading down the Niagara River. This will eventually lead into Lake Ontario. The American side made it. There is the lookout tower on the American side, so you can see the falls. There's the Maid of the Mist. If you really want a good view of the falls, you have to go to the Canadian side so you can see the entire waterfall, all three of them.
That was fun. Really fun. We were there pretty long.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, thank you for joining us today aboard Niagara City Cruises. We sincerely hope that you enjoyed your voyage to the falls. As we approach the dock, please do not move about the vessel and refrain from using the stairs until the vessel is secure. Once alongside the dock, our crew will direct you to either the forward or rear gangway for disembarking. Check to make sure you have all your belongings and proceed to exit the vessel. Visit our Missed Your gift shop for those last-minute items, or join us dockside at the Riverside Patio Bar and Grill and enjoy Niagara wines, craft beer, and a selection of delicious entrees, snacks, or sweets. On behalf of captain and crew, we thank you for sailing with Niagara City Cruises.
Okay, since we officially went to visit Niagara Falls, we're going to put another sticker on. And I think I'm going to put this one right here. Not too bad for one-handed. There's the fort. There's Key West. Getting there. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, it helps me out a lot. Also ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And give the video a thumbs up, that helps it be seen by a wider audience. But more important than all that,
Go have some fun out there.
yeah, Hey, thanks for watching.